What's up, guys? AK with DCCTRAIN, Marklin time. I like those guys. BR323, cool. Digital decoder, probably first generation, we'll see. A little bit surprised me, it's only 4 digits item number, but and the box is gray, and they moved to like white boxes beginning of the 90s, correct me if I'm wrong, so it's always challenge to figure out what's the year of production, but we'll see. Here we go. Yeah, old school, nice, very thick paper in a digital decoder like that. Nice. All right, so okay. Okay. And the manual says 0988. Printed in West Germany, so before Soviet Union. Collapse. All right, that's cool. Just checking manual real quick, see what's going on. It's actually just one screw. That's Marklin, guys. One screw or maximum 2. Some steam engines, they have maybe 3, but usually it's absolutely easy to open it. Here we go. I don't think so. I work on the Marklin one. I don't think so. Yes, don't remember. Oh, nice. Okay. So one screw. Right there says made in West Germany. Yeah, it looks like few times it run on a test like test bench. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 contacts in the ski. All right. Let's see. No, it's too small. Sometimes I have tons of those. Yeah, there we go. Now, screwdrivers, and here we go. Yeah. Make sure nothing messes up. It's kind of plastic thing. Hold on. Let's see. It's just a little bit bent. That's okay. Not worry right now. Just be careful with all these. Marklin usually it's very solid stuff. All right. Okay. One more time, if you first time here, this is unedited version, exactly tells you what's going on. Then I'm usually doing like summary after or close in the middle of installation, or when it's close to completion. Interesting. Looks like, okay, see some oil here. This is good. So again, it's more than like 25 years old or something. The point I'm trying to make, yes, screw kind of like small things like that, transparent usually. It's popping up. So in the middle of installation, like summary, if it's super complicated, I think they asked to do it like that. Oh yeah, that's the small hook here. I think I just need to go straight. Something a little bit holding. Maybe some electronics. Yeah, looks like a bunch of wires. Something going on. Yeah, very tight. Small motor, very nice. Nice job, Marklin. Just tons of wires. Huh. When I'm not sure what you know, how to approach, I will stop and do some. So, oh, here we go. Oh wow, there is to one of the brushes there is like connectors or some sort of. Just surprised it's not really free. I mentioned oil lubrication. Some older models, especially you can see the fan through radiator. I'll show you. So older, it's very surprised me. Yeah, the board, the decoder actually is is on the roof. Wow, and decoder is like huge. Huge. I think I'm going to just cut the wires and we will be done with this. Older oil, especially with the steam engines, not like can motors, I think they use something, didn't test, so after like 5-10 years it just it's like turns to glue. I'm not kidding. I think I can put it like on top, but just be careful. Those horns, here we go. Should be good. Yeah, the board. Wow, it's huge. Oh, this is like old days. Yeah, see that connector going to the brush. Okay. So cool. All right. Here we go. It's always making fun of those. Look. That's what I mean, guys. Totally disintegrated. It's not big deal, but that's what I'm saying. It's all those masking tape. Use Kapton tape, please. Oh man. Oh boy. Yeah, I need to clean that. We are going with sound, no questions. That will be fun, fun, fun. Just checking what's the deal. Some kind of tape. Huh, very strange. You can see some capacitors sticks out, you know. It will be speaker someplace, but it's plenty of room. I'm going to use Sound Micro, Motorola M4 DCC, of course, Railcom Plus. Oh, so Marklin command station will detect it. Oh la la, is this kind of plug? I see, maybe. Let me try to pull, and I think we call it. Ah, I see. Here we go. That's how they're doing it. Yes, it's a plug to here, so to separate everything. It wasn't friendly. Now just need to figure out how to take the whole thing apart. It's like museum edition. Looks like roof free. Yeah, this clamp is going to the motor. There we go. I'll clean it, of course. No problem. There we go. Nope. The other way. Under the brush holder. Excellent. Ooh, wow. It's pretty cool. Okay. Just need to figure out what's the deal with I see. Looks like this is a screw, hidden screw. Let's try. Nope. Messed up again with my whole. Yeah, Marklin Engineering. Oops, Marklin Engineering. It's great for like how it's built. Look at this, all metal. Ta-da! Metal. Everything's metal. So good. Okay. Yes, this is amazing how technology moved. Looks like it's, yeah, from 88, because see the chip, you can program address. Oh, lights, 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 lights. Looks like just lights in the right, just lights in the cab. Yeah, I don't think so. It's any really lights here. Okay. Very strange, clear, transparent. It's not holding well, and I'm just not sure what it's doing here. Some kind of insulation. No, I'll probably get rid of it. That's cool. Old school. Alright guys, that will be all for a lot of me thinking. See what I can do with the lights. But that's a good idea. Cool. Here we go. Very nice. Oh yeah. Let me see. I'm not seeing any wires. Yeah, they're just not operational. Okay. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.